temperature 52, wind southwest at 7. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, bringing you the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other weather information, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Station WXJ39 serves the city of Providence and nearby portions of Rhode Island and southeast Massachusetts, including the adjacent coastal waters. We broadcast at a frequency of 162.400 MHz from the WPRO tower located in East Providence, Rhode Island. Attention, right whales are active in coastal and offshore waters. Mariners are urged to use extreme caution, maintain a sharp lookout, and take prompt action to avoid colliding with this endangered species. Mandatory and voluntary speed restrictions of 10 knots apply to vessels 65 feet or longer in specific areas of the south, east coast. Consult broadcast notice to mariners, Navtex, and local notice to mariners for more information. It is illegal to approach or stay within 500 yards of right whales. Please report sightings of dead, injured, or entangled whales to 866-755-6622 or to the south. Coast Guard on Channel 16. Visit www.fisheries.noaa.gov and search right whale speed rule to learn more and sign up for notifications about right whale slow zones. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rhode Island, including Block Island, and Bristol County, Massachusetts, including Attleboro and Taunton, issued at 7:07 p.m., Friday, June 21st. Tonight, showers with a chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Locally heavy rainfall possible until midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. East winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight. Chance of rain near 100%. Saturday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Patchy fog in the morning. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the mid-80s, except in the mid-70s across Block Island. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall until midnight. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Patchy fog. Hot, humid with highs in the mid-80s, except in the mid-70s across Block Island. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, showers likely. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Monday, partly sunny. A chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. A chance of showers until midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour until midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of showers until midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northwest after midnight. Chance of rain 40%. Friday, sunny. Highs around 80. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here are 9 p.m. conditions across southern New England's coastal waters. Off the east coast of New Hampshire and Massachusetts, at Isle of Shoals Tower, the wind was north at 2 knots. At Boston Buoy, located 16 nautical miles east of Boston, the wind was northeast at 6 knots. Seas were 1 foot every 4 seconds, and the water temperature was 67 degrees. At Massachusetts Bay Buoy, located 25 miles east-northeast of Boston, the wind was northeast at 4 knots. Seas were 2 feet to the south and east of Cape Cod. At Nantucket Sound Buoy, wind southeast at 4 knots. Seas were 1 foot, and the water temperature was 70 degrees. At Southeast Cape Cod Buoy, seas were 2 feet, and the water temperature was 63 degrees. At Nantucket Buoy, located 54 nautical miles southeast of Nantucket, the wind was southwest at 6 knots. Seas were 3 feet every 5 seconds, and the water temperature was 62 degrees. At George's Bank Buoy, located 170 nautical miles east of Hyannis, the wind was southwest at 4 knots. Seas were 2 feet every 8 seconds, and the water temperature was 60 degrees. And off the south coast of New England and Long Island, at Buzzards Bay Tower, wind calm. At Long Island Buoy, the wind was south at 14 knots. Seas were 4 feet every 5 seconds, and the water temperature was 71 degrees. At Block Island Buoy, seas were 3 feet, and the water temperature was 70 degrees. Around Narragansett Bay, observations courtesy of the National Ocean Service ports at Providence, and the water temperature was 67 degrees. At Connemuccut Point, and the water temperature was 72 degrees. At Prudence Island. At Quonset Point. At Newport, and the water temperature was 63 degrees. At Fall River, and the water temperature was 71 degrees. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Narragansett Bay, issued at 7:10 p.m., Friday, June 21st. Tonight, southeast winds around 5 knots, becoming south after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. Showers likely with isolated thunderstorms until midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles until midnight. Saturday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Patchy fog in the morning. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles in the morning. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Patchy fog. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall until midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Sunday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Patchy fog in the morning. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles in the morning. Sunday night, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Showers likely. Monday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Showers likely. Monday night, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers until midnight. Tuesday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots until midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of showers. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Buzzards Bay, Block Island Sound, Rhode Island Sound, and Vineyard Sound, issued at 7:10 p.m., Friday, June 21st. Tonight, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. A chance of showers with isolated thunderstorms until midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles until midnight. Saturday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Patchy fog. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Patchy fog. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall until midnight. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Sunday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Patchy fog in the morning with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Sunday night, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Showers likely. Monday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Showers likely. Monday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots until midnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet. A chance of showers until midnight. Tuesday, northwest winds around 10 knots, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday night, southwest winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. A chance of showers. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. Showers and thunderstorms into early this evening may become severe and also result in a localized flash flooding across interior Massachusetts, Connecticut, and western Rhode Island. This activity should diminish not too long after sunset. However, warm and muggy this weekend with more rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those may again become severe and result in a localized flash flood threat. A cold front brings a short window of reprieve early next week, though increasing heat and shower chances by midweek. Here are the 9 p.m. observations for the Providence metropolitan area. In Providence, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was east at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.15 inches and falling. Elsewhere around Rhode Island, in Smithfield, cloudy, temperature 67, wind calm. At Newport, rain, temperature 70, wind east at 5. At Westerly, light rain, temperature 72, wind northeast at 6. And on Block Island, light rain, temperature 68, wind northeast at 3. In southeast Massachusetts, at Taunton, rain, temperature 69. At New Bedford, a thunderstorm, temperature 70, wind east at 3. And on Martha's Vineyard, cloudy, temperature 72, wind northwest at 5. Once again, repeating the 9 p.m. weather for the Providence metropolitan area, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 70 and the wind was east at 6. Now for the 9 p.m. observations across the northeastern United States. In Massachusetts, at Boston, light rain, and 65. In Worcester, cloudy, and 66. At Hyannis, light rain, and 68. And on Nantucket, cloudy, and 68. In Connecticut, at Hartford, mostly cloudy, and 74. At Groton, light rain. And at New Haven, mostly cloudy, and 75. In New York State, at Albany, a thunderstorm, and 73. In New York City, mostly cloudy, and 80. And in Islip, mostly cloudy, and 77. And across northern New England, at Burlington, cloudy, and 73. In Concord, cloudy, and 65. At Portland, cloudy, and 68. And on top of Mountain Washington, fog, temperature 52, wind southwest at 7. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.